Okay, it's on. Do crap. Do crap. Do crap. Just do random crap. Do random crap, Edward. What?
That is the benefit of being the guy.
I can't hide it. Genesis, say hi to the nothing.
The YouTube video.
Let's take a picture.
A picture, but I'm trying to do stuff for my YouTube. Sorry. You know, you ever wonder that people they like vlog in their schools or whatever, and they're like, "Where do you live? That school looks badass." And then what they're eating, and they're like, "Oh." And then when they see our school, they're like, "What the hell is that? What is that crap?"
We think, bitch.
What is this?
Oh, you're good.
No, not doing it. No.
No, it's
Do
Maggie.
it, Lynn. No.
Hey, look at this plastic right here that she ate. Look at this rubber that we eat. And look at this water that we drink.
Yeah.
They think it's strawberry, but it's
Fat free, my.
flavored water.
Say bye, cause I just wanna.
Oh, bye.
Bye.